Hello everyone, this is demo of my ETABS add-in to generate input summary for ETABS model. So first, let me show you how to set up this plugin. Just open any ETABS model, go to Tools, select Add or Show Plugin, click on Browse, select ETABS plugin file. Update plugin menu text to whatever name you like. I'm going to go with input summary. Click on add to add your plugin and then select OK to save the settings. Now coming back to our model, and when you open tools menu, you can see ETABS input summary plugin. Just click on it and accept this warning to run our plugin. And as you can see, our input summary report is generated. Opening report. This HTML report file is generated in the same folder of your ETABS model. You can just double click on this HTML file to open this report manually. Now coming back to HTML file, you can use this navigation panel to jump to specific section. This report contains model details, material details, element details, details about all the loads applied on building, analysis details, and design details. Additionally, once you are done checking this report, you can also use this HTML file to generate PDF report for project submission. So generating this input summary is a good way to check your model inputs. It will help you with quick review of your model if you are not familiar with it, manage consistency in naming of story, elements, or loads. It will also help you to avoid human input errors in loading or section sizes or design parameters. So this is it for this demo. If you are interested in more tutorials on automation in civil engineering, then do check out the blogs on my website. If you have any questions about automation or this project, feel free to ask me in the comments.